Yo guys, Euro Game of Thrones it here. So what we have today, nice unboxing, gold unboxing. This is no BS channel guys, okay? I'm sorry if I hurt somebody yesterday with my video, but really, you know, when you see so many, you know, BS videos, and you know, if you want to speed up your channel, you just make, you know, should I sell my stock, or what is the best coins to collect, and blah blah blah, and people are listening, you know. There is no value in this channel. So this is why I made this nice video. So anyway, back to business. So what do we have today? We have gold, unboxing gold. So I have some Pesos, you know, a sufficient stacker. He inspired me, you know, half year ago. I was watching his videos when he only started, and let me open it. So this is from GM Bullion, and I bought them dirt cheap, guys. Dirt cheap. It was, I don't know how they sell it so cheap, but it's the smallest Mexican gold which you can get. This is a 136 gram, which is 0.048. So that's what I bought. Let me show it close. So it's 2 pesos, you see, and I paid for 10. I paid 1,064. So I bought them for 106. $106, guys. $106 for 1.4 gram of gold. You understand? 1.4 gram of gold, I pay 106. It's like $60-70, $70 gram of gold. Where you can buy $60-70 gram of gold, you know. So this was a good deal, and I highly recommend you look into fraction pesos. You know, this is what I think. It has a has a nice value to me. So I finally was able to open it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gold pieces. Let me make you close so you can watch in real time. Yeah, this is a nice tube. Nice tube. And I have another tube from this one. This is from from Metal Exchange. So I also stuck 100 pieces of gold, and I think I already reached 100 pieces of gold. So this is how many I have. I have probably 50 of this bad guys. But let me show you something before I go into my 50. So this is Sigma, okay? First of all, I don't suggest you guys buy gold without Sigma, okay? This is really critical, because you don't want to stack, and after 5 years to find out that you have some, Chinese gold, right? So I'll show you something which is, you know, some interesting thing. So when okay, this is gold 90%, by the way. 90% is not 22 carats, it's less than 22 carats. And 22 carats in 91.7%, just you know. And 91.7, you see 22 carat. Yeah, and 90% is 21.5 carat, not 22 carat. Okay, just you know. Mostly Russian gold, it's 90%, and European gold and Mexican European gold is 91.7%, and Mexican gold is also mostly 90%. Just you know, there is a little bit variations, okay, between different old. I'm talking about old golds. Okay, so let me first show you on 2.5 pesos. So that's at 2.5 pesos. Okay, so 2.5 pesos. So what happened when I bought them from AppMax and I was doing my validation? You see, run, and I'm doing my validation, and it's out. You see, and it's out. And I went to local shops. They have this, special, very expensive device, and they told me it's a gold. So I was thinking my device is wrong. But then I found out that you need to put this piece, which they call, what they call it, calibration. You need to put the calibration piece. And if you have thickness less than, I think it's 1.5 millimeter, then you need to use the calibration disc, okay? So when I was doing this, it went back to normal. Yeah, you see it now, it's, yeah, you see, it went back to normal. You just need to put on specific place. Yeah, it doesn't work on every place. Yeah, but this is a gold. Yeah, this is a gold. You see it went back to normal. Yeah. Yeah. But if you do it the same way, if you do it without this disc, you know where it goes, you see? So it's very interesting. So I learned something new when I start to accumulate gold pesos, you see? So you must have this disc, to be able to validate your gold. And then you don't want to end up, with, there are a lot of, Chinese gold, fake gold, what I call. So you don't want basically to stack, some fake golds. Okay? So these pieces are very nice. Let me first of all, let me move it close. Yeah, how it look like. Dos pesos, 1945. They're mostly red strike, I think from Second War they try to make red strikes. 45, you see, they're mostly red strikes. I like red strikes more, by the way, because they are, I don't know, somehow I think the technology was better this time than the old time, and they really look like a gold, because I have couple of this not red strikes, and they didn't look attractive to me, you know what I mean? 45 peso, and this is how they look from other side. Yeah, they are very small, very teeny, if you take this is 1 cent, you see how 1 cent and how this coins, first time when I see, I say wow. But then when I did calculation, I do understand that they are incredible value. They have 1.36 gram of gold, or 0.0048 ounces of gold. So basically 20 coins like this is 1 ounce of gold. And I really start to see incredible values in these coins, because in the end of the day you need to do transactions, okay? You're not going to sell 1 ounce of gold, but you want to, instead of 1 transaction, you want to do 20 transactions, okay? This is where I see myself. Again, you have your own brain, okay? You think your own way, okay? Never copy from anybody else, whatever other people sharing with you, just watch them, but you don't need to copy what they are doing, okay? And this was my video yesterday, okay? When you see some dude, should I sell, should I buy? Never copy anybody, guys, Your own. If he has 2,000 ounces of silver and he sold 1,000 ounces, and then he still have 1,000, and if you have 100 and you sold everything, then you left with nothing, and then silver skyrockets. So what you do? Okay, this is also 45, and this is also, oh, it has a nice, you see, nice toning here on the side. Okay, so now I want to basically do some validation here and show you what happened with this small small gold, which is also very similar to what I showed you before. So if you do this way, you see it shows you very close, but it's not. It's not, right? But if you put it here on this disc, and you do it here, then it's inside the bracket. Voila. and it's inside the bracket. Excellent. Okay, so you really need to be smart, you know, collecting golds, because you can easy, you know, you can easily find yourself with some fake gold, you know. You don't want to, you don't want this, because silver like 30-40 bucks, it's okay, like you lose 40 bucks. But this one piece is cost more than $100, right? And you don't want to find yourself with bunch of, you know, some fake gold. Yeah. Okay. So interesting if I put it here. No, it will not work. They are so tiny, they are so small. Yeah. So first of all, buy it from a dealer. And second, okay, you must have your way how you validate gold. Other way, just don't buy gold, guys. Really, you know, you know, it's very sad to see people which I saw everywhere which say, "Oh, is it my gold or not gold?" So what you want to say is that you buy, and you don't know, and then you know after some time you start to see that it's not gold. Okay, so we good, and now the fun part. The fun part, after I validated everything, the fun part, you know, just to see my small brothers, how they play together. Okay, this is, I move aside. Now, as I said, I have, this is a fun, that's why I like this, you know, you cannot have this fun when you collect 1 ounce of gold, right? That's why I stuck fraction gold. Now I have 2 tubes. Which one is better? I don't know. Which one is better? They both the same kind of. I will keep this one because it has better closer. Okay, so now I have 32 pieces. Okay, let me make it close. I have 32 pieces. Oh, my dragon, look on my dragon. He, you know, I don't know, I don't do this in purpose, but look, you know, all golds, you know, accumulated on dragon face. Guys, really, I'm telling you, these dragons, they like gold. They like gold. Give me my gold, give me my gold. Okay, so now it's a fun part. So I have like 50 pieces of this small gold. I really like the way they present it, you know. The value which accumulated in these gold pesos, you know, that's why I like them. Because really, you cannot go wrong, man. It's like 1.36 gram, 1.4 gram almost, okay? And it's like it's a price $110, $120, like, come on, you know, go and find today, you know, 1 gram of gold, how much you will pay. You'll see. Okay, so, and I want to reach 100. I want to reach 100 because a really attractive value here. Okay, very attractive value. So I have 43 of these pieces. Oh, small. Sorry, I have 41. This is 2.5. That's a 2.5 ounces. 2.5 gold pesos. Sorry. Okay, so I have 41 only. Yeah, why 41? Very strange. Should have more. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Yeah, I will check later on what's going on. Okay, guys, so this is what I want to share with you. And yeah, I think fraction gold is a very nice way to stack. And where is my slide? You know, the very interesting is gold that's, you know, it doesn't work a little bit maybe, right? I don't know. It doesn't work the same way. Yeah. Copper is more attractive to you know, magnets than gold. Gold doesn't do this trick with like a silver, okay? So as I say, there are not many ways to validate, to do a gold validation, you know. So I believe sigma and only measuring, you know, the weight. Oh, by the way, what is the weight of this small guy? I can show you how much they weigh. And the weight, okay, let's do in gram, right? It's also one of validation. Yeah, 1.7 gram. So what you can do if you have one of them and you know for sure that it's valid, right? Then you do every one of them. Then you do every one of them. 1.7, yeah. Every one of them you do, and you're supposed to get the same, you know, dimensions, the same weight and everything. Okay, guys. So Silver Game of Thrones was with you. This was fun unboxing, and I believe you enjoy. And remember, this is no BS channel. Okay, if you want the BS channel, you look somewhere else. Okay, every of my video I must to provide some value to guys. Okay, not like a copy paste, but something you can learn. You can get some new, and you can have some fun. Again, we are talking about gold pesos, which is the smallest denomination. Let's move everything together. They're a very fun way to stack. And look on this, guys. Look on this. Wow. Yeah, this is very interesting guy. Has toning. Yeah, look on this. They're so fun way to stack. Unbelievable. Yeah, if I put light like this, too much light. Yeah, and this all small pesos. Yep. I need to play with this sometime, you know. It's so funny, so teeny. So if you think which kind of gold, you know, this is my way, you know. I can only suggest that, you know, you better stack some fraction gold, not a big 1 ounce gold. Okay? So Silver Game of Thrones was with you guys. Thank you much for watching. Bye-bye.